Okay, let's try this again. I already filmed this video like twice already, except the first time I lost my 16 gigabyte memory card, basically erasing all my entire day's work. And if that wasn't enough, I went out and bought myself a new memory card, and then my camera decided to die. And there's people out there fucking honking their horns out there like fucking New York traffic. New York City problems. Hi everyone, this is Gabriel. This is Minoxidil week 39. Not much is happening, although recently, just recently, and please excuse the crazy honking noises outside. I don't even know what's going on, but this is New York traffic for you. Anyhow, oh, it stopped. Great, awesome. So what I really want to talk about is that lately, just recently, I noticed some baby hairs surrounding the region around my mustache, which means new growth, because now it's actually starting to connect over here. You can't really see it, but you see a really defined mustache line connecting to my beard, which I'm really happy about, maybe because I've been making it grow for about a month and a half now since I last trimmed it. And you can see some baby hairs connecting over here and also over here, even though it's lighter over here than it is over here. I feel like I have to put a lot more Minoxidil love over here, so that's a little exciting. Although it's kind of getting a little too late, it's kind of cutting it close because I'm about to hit 1 year on Minoxidil and this is suddenly starting to happen. So I feel like I have a really big feeling that I most likely will have to go beyond a year on Minoxidil to get the results I want, because otherwise I think everything's going to fall out, and I want to get the best results I can. And also I'm using biotin still, even though I got off it recently, and the acne more or less returned and everything. So yeah, and oh my god, they're screaming outside. I don't know what's going on. I think they're complaining about like the hold up, because this is a pretty big street over here that people cross through, and people don't want to make the detour, and it's basically jamming up the entire place. Oh yeah, there we go. Sorry, I'm a little today, and it's been kind of crazy at work, and also I have top surgery scheduled. More on that later. In any case, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a short video, but due to the circumstances surrounding my loss of my original video, I had to kind of cut it short today. But like I said, not much is really happening, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna finally have the full beard I always wanted. Yay! And also, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. I put out a video every week now that I'm on this new workout routine. It allows me to film more than one video a week and also have more time to edit. So that's awesome. Let's get excited for that. And as usual, if you found this video helpful, click that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have an awesome weekend and have a safe day, and love you all, and I'll see y'all real soon.